Hey guys, James from Sikky Manufacturing. If you're doing an LS swap in your FRS or BRZ, we designed some exhaust headers that are going to make that job a whole lot easier. Let's take a closer look. We spent a lot of time designing these headers to not only look good, fit well, and make excellent horsepower, but to also make the installation as easy as possible. As with all Sikky products, one of our main focuses is always strength and reliability, which is why we specifically chose the materials these headers are designed and made of. The tubing is 16 gauge CNC mandrel bent 304 stainless steel. We went with these massive 1 7/8 primaries to make sure these headers can make maximum power. The head flange is laser cut from 3/8" 304 stainless steel. The collector, which is also made from 16 gauge 304 stainless steel, comes with a 3" V-band pre-welded to the collector. We also provide the other half of the V-band flange as well as the V-band clamp for each header in this assembly. Another key feature and performance benefit of these Sikky headers is we use a merge bolt in the inside of the collector. This ensures as fast flow as possible through the collector of the exhaust gases. A lot of time went into this header design to ensure precise fitment and proper clearances in the engine bay and the engine itself. One of the major goals we had at the beginning of the design project for our FRS BRZ headers was to make the installation easy. By easy, I mean simply dropping them in without any kind of crazy movement of the engine or dealing with the steering column. So the eventual path of these headers actually goes out around the steering column, making these headers actually fit left-hand drive and right-hand drive vehicles. These headers were designed specifically to be used with the Sikky Manufacturing LS swap kit. Doesn't mean they won't fit with other manufacturers' kits, but the only way to guarantee that these headers are going to fit properly is if they're coupled with a LS swap kit made by Sikky Manufacturing. Each header set also includes these offset steering rack bushings. So these essentially allow you to shift the rack from left-hand drive to right-hand drive and get that extra clearance we need at the steering column where it passes by the header. This is because we're running such large primaries that we wanted to make the design easy to install so it slides right in and has enough clearance so we won't have any contact issues or rubbing. Not only do these provide the proper clearance for your steering column, they also tighten up the steering itself and give a much more crisp feel. These are a simple drop-in installation once you remove the factory rubber bushing. To learn more about these headers or the other products we make for LS swapping your FRS and BRZ, make sure you log on to Sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.